Hello friends and welcome to my channel जिसका नाम है Just है Go. Guys, in this video we are going to unbox a JBL headphones, and guys, you will not believe I got these headphones under 400 rupees. Yes, JBL headphones under 400 rupees. It's equal to impossible, but it's possible. Guys, I bought this headphones from eBay, so I will provide the link in description. You can buy from there. Here's the headphones, guys. Let us check it out. But one thing about eBay website, the packing of eBay is very poor. We just got this polythene and not even a bubble wrap and cardboard. See what is the condition of the box. See from here. You can see, I think. Just see what is the condition of the box. See. Whatever it is, the condition of the box is not nice. So let us take it out from the box, and here is the guys, here are the headphones of JBL which I got under 400 rupees, and it is in blue color. Let us take it out. Backside we got nothing, just an 3.5 mm jack. It's silver plated jack, guys, so you not need to worry, it will give a good sound. And it's a simple wire. Quality is not very bad but not very good too. It's a mic to receive calls, as you can see. Focus is not happening, wait. It's a mic, as you can see. Here is a call, that button, and here is a mic to answer the calls. Again, this is wire. And guys, we got a two-sided wired, so that's an con of this. Here is the JBL branding, you can see it, JBL. It's the adjuster, and guys, it is fully made up of plastic, so under 400 rupees you will get this only, but it will work very nicely. It's my promise to you. Here also JBL branding. The logo is very shining and unique. It is scratchless, you can see this. It is scratchless. And here we got inside a cushion. It's a very soft cushion, guys. See, you can see it. It will give very relaxation to your ears and not pain. It will be not painful on your ears. And here is the speaker vent. Here also the speaker vent. And it's, guys, it is the like this. We can adjust it according to our needs fully. And it is foldable too, guys. Like this, you can fold this and keep in the luggage where you want to go, and you can take it. It is a portable headphone. Now let us open and let us check the sound of these headphones. So I will make you to check. I will not say anything, just a single word. Let us test this, guys. I'm just playing the song. It's just taking time. Guys, wait, I think it's taking some time. And here comes the song. Guys, I think as you can hear the sound, these are very nice headphones, guys. The bass of these headphones are the enough that your ears will feel a pleasure to wear this. And it's a on ear headphones, guys, wired, so you can carry it in your on your neck. I think you can hear the sound. Wait, I will bring it near the microphone. Guys, you can see from one vent this much sound is coming, then if it will come on your ear. And guys, these cushions have one more quality. They will produce a vacuum in your ears, so that the noise cancellation will be enough, that other outside noise will be not get into the ear. I will not play the much song as the copyright strike will come. So let us on this much only this is having. Yeah, this is adjustable too. It is can like this also adjust. and like this, and it is foldable too, like this. You can fold this like this. But guys, the build quality is not good, not bad, but the sound of this headphone under 400 rupees, you will feel very satisfied by giving your 400 rupees on this headphones. These are very nicely built, and the speaker vent are quite bigger, so that you will get the good bass and good bass, and the sound quality is also very clear. So guys, this is only the unboxing and the review of this headphone. So guys, thank you, and please subscribe to my channel if you like the video. Please click the like button and give me the suggestions in the comment box, and share this video as much as you can.